Kayan, ang atong topic karon is Ben Clemens. So, Ben Clemens, brothers and sisters, Ben Clemens are people who make empty or false claims. Number one, brothers and sisters, falsely claiming rights. Two, arrogant or boastful. 3. Lacking substance. So this is the Ben Clemens. Biblical reference according to Titus chapter 1 verse 10, there are many, especially circumcised ones who boast about what they have done. 2. Biblical reference, Proverbs chapter 25 verse 14. Like clouds and wind without rain is one who boasts of false gifts.